Number 1 wide grip easy bar curl. Target muscle bicep brachii longead and brachialis. Stand holding the easy bar with the grip wider than shoulder width apart, keeping your elbow close to your body and your upper arm stable. Lift the bar up toward your shoulder, squeezing your biceps at the top of the movement, and slowly lower the bar back to the starting position. Using a light weight, do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetition. Number 2 close grip easy bar curl. Target muscle bicep brachii shorted and brachialis. Your form will be the same as the last exercise, but you have to hold the easy bar with the close grip at shoulder width, keeping the elbow close to the body and the hand facing forward. Lift the bar up toward your shoulder with control speed and hold it for a few seconds, slowly bringing the bar back to the starting position. Keep the focus on the bicep during this entire movement. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetition. Number 3 seated dumbbell hammer curl. Target muscle brachialis, brachiodialis and bicep brachii. First sit on the bench and hold the dumbbell in both hands with the neutral grip, keeping your back straight and your elbow close to your body. Curl the dumbbell up toward your shoulder, squeezing your biceps and forearms at the top of the movement, slowly bringing the dumbbell back to the starting position. Keep your body stable throughout the movement. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Number 4 reverse grip cable curl. Target the same muscle as the hammer curl. Attach the straight bar or easy bar handle to the low pulley of the cable machine and stand in front of the machine and hold the handle with the reverse grip, keeping the elbow close to the body. Lift the bar up toward your shoulder, hold it for 1 to 2 seconds, then slowly lower it back to the starting position with control speed. Do 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetition with the right weight. Number 5 barbell spider curl. Target muscle bicep brachii shorted. Lean on an inclined bench with your chest supported and hold the barbell with the underhand grip with your arms hanging straight down toward the floor, keeping your upper arm stationary. Lift the bar up toward your shoulder and squeeze your biceps, slowly bringing it back to the starting position. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps.